Go. Hi. We're outside our new house. That's our house, R166, and this is my porch. And those are the neighbors.
Hey,
and
Dorothy
Freaky.
Cribs! My name is Frank Bergman, and we're going to do a tour of the house.
Okay. Close the door.
Close the door. Okay.
Closing the door.
This is our bathroom.
This is bathroom numero uno.
Number one.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Quite small.
Okay. Go ahead.
This is the kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
This is Daddy being mommy for today.
Hi.
This
He's washing dishes.
kitchen.
This is the kitchen.
Cookies.
Those are our cookies over there. Okay. What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge?
Okay. Now a lot of people just have like energy drinks in the fridge. We have stuff. We got some booze for parties.
We do have booze. Yeah.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Orange juice for the morning.
We got the Gatorade. We got eggs.
Gatorade for Dorothy's sickiness. Mayonnaise. You gotta have
We
mayonnaise.
have mayo. Let's see. In the freeze, we got some Eggo waffles going on. We got some ice, cream cheese,
Some ice.
Ice.
Okay, some ice. Poppers. Pizza poppers.
Smiles.
Oh, bagels.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Move along.
This is the living room.
This is the living. No, this is the dining room.
My full dining room.
Yeah.
This is all my crap.
Yeah, that's your crap. Okay.
This is my sweatshirt.
Yeah.
Love my sweatshirt.
Okay, go on.
Let's talk about okay.
This would be the living room. See what's on the TV. Let's see. What are we watching? The news.
Guys, raise your hand.
Okay. This is our living room. This is outside.
This is my dad's.
This is our. This would be our
backyard.
cute little backyard enclosed thing. Yes, it is very cute. Okay. Close that.
This is my dad's wood.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. There's the skiing guy on the. There you go. Okay. And then this is
bathroom
upstairs.
2.
There's bathroom numero 2.
This is the greatest thing
This is the
ever.
cool bathroom. There's a shower.
This is the wash bowl.
This is the bowl.
This is
This
get
is the
in.
bowl. Get in.
And you just feel like a dumpling. You just like you just sizzle in this
This is the
beast.
This is the tub. Yes, it's
Yeah.
a weird tub. That's the toilet bowl. Okay, next. This is bedroom number 2.
Our room. Oh.
That's Frankie's bed. That's my bed, even though I didn't sleep there last night. There's a shirt. Oh, that's a shirt. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, yeah.
This is the window. This I don't know what this does.
Yeah, we don't know what that is.
Okay, Doctor's room. Mom's room.
Okay. This is
David's TV.
bedroom number 2. They have a TV, and that's what I hit my head on last night. And that's their TV.
That's what she's got.
Their luggage. What else? What?
This thing.
Okay, this is
Mommy.
bathroom number 3.
Hi.
Okay.
This is a little window. I wonder what this does.
It's a random window right there. Yeah,
Window.
random. Okay. Okay, nowhere.
I don't know.
Nowhere.